So chapter 5.1 talks about quadratics and their maximum or minimum values, and then the axis of symmetry. So we're given some equation y equals ax squared plus bx plus c, where a, b, and c are constants. And from here we can find certain properties of the quadratic function from here. So we know that if a is negative, then the function is going to open downwards. So the vertex is going to be the highest point, in other words, our maximum value. And if a is positive, then the whole function is going to open up, which means that the vertex is going to be the lowest point, which is our minimum value. Then the axis of symmetry is going to be the vertical line x equals some constant, and this constant is going to be the x-coordinate of the vertex, because the vertex is the point in which this vertical line passes through and it cuts both sides left and right in half so that it's symmetrical over that line. So to find the vertex, the x-coordinate of the vertex is going to be negative b over 2a, which is the constants given in our general form. And then the y-coordinate is going to be f of this value that we find, which means for whatever x that we solve for, we're just going to put that back into the function, and that will be our y-coordinate for the vertex. So we're given two functions, f of x equals x squared minus 8x minus 9, and g of x equals negative 3x squared plus 7x minus 3. And it's asking us to determine whether the function has a maximum or minimum value, and then to find its axis of symmetry. So for f of x, since a is positive, then it's going to open upward, which means we're going to have a minimum value. So to find the vertex, let's do x equals negative b over 2a, which is going to be negative 8 over 2 times 1, which is just 8 over 2, and that gives us 4. So the x-coordinate of the vertex is going to be 4. Then to find the y, we have f of 4. So we have 4 squared minus 8 times 4 minus 9. This gives us 16 minus 32 minus 9, which gives us negative 25. So the vertex is 4, negative 25. So the axis of symmetry is going to be the line x equals 4. Then for g of x, this time a is negative, so it's going to open down. So we're going to get a maximum. And then to find it, we have negative b over 2a, which is negative 7 over 2 times negative 3. And this gives us negative 7 over negative 6, which is just 7 over 6. Then to find the y-coordinate, we plug that back in. Negative 3 times this. And this comes out to be 13 over 12. So our vertex for g of x is going to be 7 over 6, comma 13 over 12. So then the axis of symmetry is going to be x equals 7 over 6.